Hey, it's Sarah from Poosh. I'm here with Michelle, a co-founder of Total Body Band Melody, and we're gonna do some
floor work. Get that body and booty right and tight.
Okay, let's go.
Come down to your knees safely. Now put your fingers, hands in the band, you see, thumbs are out. Got it? You're out, okay.
So we start on the right?
Yep. Okay, leg in. 3, 2, 1. Tuck your core. Keep it tight. Wake up, squeeze the booty. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. The other side. Left. There you go. Go ahead. Keep the core tight. Squeeze the booty. Inhale, breathe. Make sure you're breathing. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Okay, ready? Start with the right leg. Pull your belly button in. Core tight. Right leg in 3, 2, 1. Up. Keep it tight. Squeeze the booty. Make sure you're breathing. Feel the burn. 3 more. 3, 2, hold it at the top. Pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Tuck your back core in. Tuck your belly button in. Left side. And 3, 2, 1. Make sure you're breathing. Squeeze the booty. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Hold it at the top. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this, you have to make sure your lower back is squeeze your core and your lower back is always touching the ground. If you feel your lower back start to arch like this, it's not good for you. You're gonna hurt yourself and you're not even getting your core. Back into the ground, core into the ground. Your belly button sitting on it, there you go. Now come down as low as you can without your back coming up. So you don't have to go all the way to the floor.
Do you want to go, are these supposed to be?
You can keep them here, you can keep them here. I always just stay tight in here, unless we're doing arm stuff, and I'm not gonna do that with you right now. So hold.
Can we make it straight? Or no?
Yeah, if you want to. If you want a solid sink. Okay, so if you're here, just make sure when you're coming down, one leg at a time, your back is not coming up. So if you can go all the way to the floor and your back doesn't come up, that's fine. But if you can't, you could just go right here and come back up, and you're working your core. But if you start pulling your back up, you're not working your core.
So no arching allowed.
No arching allowed. No arching allowed at all. We're keeping the backs protected. So our melody, make sure the back is protected. Going. Now we're gonna go with both legs at the same time. Like I said, do not bring your back, so I can go about this far and come back up. And you'll feel your whole core squeezing. Squeeze tight. Oh, pull your back in. Arch, pull your back to the ground. There you go. Up, Sarah. Yep, you're doing great. Your back is perfect. 4 more reps.
Does the speed matter, or just like take it at your own pace?
Take it at your own pace. You want your core to work. It doesn't really matter if it went fast or slow. Slow actually is harder most of the time, I think. Okay? So you know how you usually just go here? So you can just go across. Okay? Come back in. Cross. So you're not going fast.
Here. So first we put our legs up to whatever this is called.
Yep.
What is this
90
called?
degrees.
90 degrees.
Keep them here. Okay? Put your back to the ground. Squeeze your core in. Okay? And then we're gonna put a punch across when you're going, okay? So here, come back in, gather yourself. Over here, Come back up. Yep. Shoulders are off the ground. Look up though. Yep. Look up. You don't want to get your neck. There you go.
I feel like I'm not doing
No, you're doing it. You're doing it. Yep. Look up like you're looking at the sky. Keep your neck in alignment.
Look, it's an airplane.
See? When did you look up?
Get with it.
4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay. Arms straight up, shoulders off the ground. Start with legs together. Okay? Neck looks straight up. Keep your neck in alignment. Out. In. Out. Shoulders up. Squeeze that core. Stay up. Stay up. You feel it burning?
Yeah.
Stay up. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Biceps. We're getting all of it right now, actually.
Look at this.
There you go.
Can I just make
Same
up
time.
one?
Ready? Yep. Look at you making up moves. Here we go. Compound movement, girl. Right there. Let's get
Our
it.
new favorite word, compound movement.
Oh.
I really like this band.
Me too. I feel like, and you can get creative with it and just kind of like
do so many
let
things.
your body
Yeah. You learn
do
as
what
you
it wants.
go.
Yeah.
So for our viewers, send us videos of you doing your favorite moves.
Yes.
Make them up.
It's the best. People
We could have a challenge.
Yeah, we'll have a
Total body
Band
band.
challenge.
total body band challenge. I like that idea.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea.
For the best new move that we haven't thought, or that you haven't.
Yeah. You can see we have so many on there, but people still come up with stuff all the time.
Okay,
I'm like, wow, I didn't think of that.
let's do it.
Yeah.
That's the challenge. Subscribe.